This is a quick review of the Kedsum aluminum dolly. This is a really nice device. It's very compact, and yet it carries up to 270 pounds. Got a telescoping forks, again, aluminum plastic handle, and it's got a plastic bar here for reinforcement just so it doesn't wobble side to side. Everything is very durable and robust. It has rotating casters on the front with ball bearings, and then you've got the big lug tractor tires in the back. And then additionally, you have this bungee cord, which works really well at holding down boxes. What's really nice about this unit is just how small and compact it is. You can put it in a backpack if you needed to, store it pretty much anywhere, even in a vehicle sight unseen for the most part. And again, at carrying 270 pounds, it is a very robust and durable product. Now, it is compact. That means your footprint here is going to be pretty small. However, I was able to stack upwards to 3 lawyer boxes. Also, this is really good for paper boxes. So maybe you're in a copier room, you got to move paper boxes, big heavy paper boxes around. This is a great device for it. This unit currently has almost 700 reviews on Amazon with a 4.2 star rating, and over 500 units have been sold this past month according to Amazon. For me, I give it 5 stars. Quality-wise, price-wise, durability-wise, it's quick, it's agile, it's very simple. I mean, the only real complaint to it is trying to pull this down. You do need to put some effort, but again, once you lock it in place, this thing is locked in place.